If you want to start an Amazon FBA business with no money down, then this video is for you because I am going to show you how to land yourself a winning product for free. And also, I will give you a game plan on how to budget for sourcing that winning product to sell on Amazon. Let's dive right in. I will walk you through how to set up a free Amazon Seller Central account, how to set up a free Helium 10 account, which is the #1 Amazon software that every Amazon seller uses to run their business successfully. I will show you how to find suppliers on Alibaba so you can get a free product sample. And finally, I will also offer you a free one-on-one consultation with my team so we can help you with anything and everything that you need in your Amazon FBA business. But I'll give you more information on that later. The first thing you need to do is register for your free Amazon Seller Central account. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the American Amazon Seller Central website where you need to register. Click on the button right here that says Learn More. So there are two options. One option is to sign up for the monthly plan for $39.99 a month plus selling fees. And there is a second option where you get to open a free Amazon Seller Central account. This option is perfect for you if you are a brand new Amazon seller and you do not plan on selling a lot of products to start. Eventually, you will have to upgrade, but since you guys are new and you just want to have your account opened and get started, this is what you do. Go to pricing and then go to compare selling plans. So there is the individual plan and the professional plan. Now, myself and my students and other expert Amazon sellers are always on the professional plan because it gives you the option to do everything. However, if you choose the individual plan, you get charged only 99 cents for every item sold plus additional selling fees. So if you plan to sell fewer than 40 units a month, then this is perfect for you. And this is perfect if you're still deciding what to sell, which is what I am helping you with in today's video. By the end of this video, you guys will learn how to select a winning product and how to properly budget for that product. You don't plan to advertise or use advanced selling tools. You are not doing that right now. You just want to have your account opened and ready for that beautiful winning product. So all you need to do is click on sign up and choose individual plan. You guys should familiarize yourself with the professional plan because like I said, eventually when you become successful, you want to sign up for professional. But today, since you want everything for free, you want to click on sign up for individual. Next, we need to install our Helium 10 Chrome extension. So this extension is for free. Go to google.com and type in Helium 10 Chrome extension and make sure you install it or else you will not be able to follow along in this video. And next, step 3, you need to register for a Helium 10 account. Helium 10 is the #1 Amazon tool that you need to run your Amazon FBA business. Now, eventually, you will have to get on the paid plan. However, everything that I am about to show you in this video is free, and you can start with the free plan. So all you need to do is go to helium10.com and head over to pricing. Now, myself and other successful Amazon FBA sellers usually opt for the platinum plan. If you are ready to get started with the paid plan, then make sure you take advantage of my 20% off Helium 10 coupon code right here that you see on the screen. I will also link how to sign up for Helium 10 in the YouTube description below. All you need to do is sign up for Helium 10 using my link so you get the promotion in the future when you decide to get on the paid platinum plan. Today, we are getting started for free. So let's scroll down. And when you go to the very bottom, it says, get started with a free account. Sign up now for a free account and enjoy a hands-on introduction to Helium 10's full suite of e-commerce solutions. So again, if you do want the 20% off coupon code, then make sure you use the link in the YouTube description below. Click on Start Now and just finish with entering your name, email address, password, and then you will be well on your way to starting to use the free Helium 10 account. Now, be aware that for the free account, you will only be able to use some options a few times. So it's so important that you pay close attention to what is going on in this video. I'm just going to quickly log into my Helium 10 account to carry on with this tutorial. Now, when we are inside of Helium 10, you want to go to Tools and then Black Box Amazon Product Research. So click on that. This is what we will be using to help you find a budget-friendly winning product. Go to category and subcategory. Today, I am going to use kitchen and dining. Check that guy off. Review count. I don't want to look at products with over 1,000 reviews or else it's very hard to compete with. Weight, I want to put 2 pounds. Shipping size, I want to select large and small so we don't end up looking at huge products like sofas, couches. Fulfillment is FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. We want to pay attention to competitors who are using Fulfillment by Amazon. So that means Amazon is doing all of the work for them. For price, I want to look at products that are above $13 because anything below 12 to 13 bucks is going to make your profit margins very slim. Monthly revenue, let's do $15,000 to $40,000. So I only want to look at products that are between this monthly revenue because after all fees and expenses, I want to net profit anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So if my monthly revenue is anywhere between 15 grand to 40 grand, that is exactly how much my net profit would be at the end of the day. Click on search. If you are a beginner Amazon seller, this may be very overwhelming, which is why I recommend you to get my free Amazon training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch my free Amazon training to the end because I will break down for you step by step how I'm able to find profitable products to sell on Amazon over and over again. You also get to book a free one-on-one call with my team after you go through that short training. So make sure you register so my team can take care of you and answer any questions that you may have when it comes to finding a product to sell on Amazon. So there are a lot of products here. I had a chance to go through the products before I came on to do this tutorial. Otherwise, we will be sitting here for hours. So one product that I found to be a good beginner product was the pickle jar. So here is a pickle jar. So without sitting here for hours, there are a number of reasons why I chose the pickle jar. Let me explain. So let's open that up on Amazon.com. As you can see, this is a very simple product that anyone can make improvements on. This pickle jar from this seller only has 4-star reviews. Let's check out the other sellers. So I'm going to type in pickle jar and I'm going to explain to you why I chose this product for you as a beginner. Now, there are a lot of people watching this video, so don't go out there and sell a pickle jar, but I'm going to explain this to you so you can go out there to find products that are similar. Click on your Helium 10 Chrome extension. You should have this already installed. Click on X-Ray Amazon Product Research, sort the revenue from big to small. And I'm going to remove this jar right here because this is a mason jar, I believe. Yes, it is. We don't want to look at mason jars. I'm just going to remove mason jars because we are not selling a mason jar. We are selling a pickle jar. This is food storage mason jars. Okay, let's just remove these two guys. I mean, technically, you can use a mason jar as a pickle jar, but I am really trying to narrow down just a specific pickle jar like this, where you put pickles in or something like this. All right, so I already see good news on the right-hand side right here. There are over 10 Amazon sellers making 5 figures in revenue every month. Remember earlier on in Black Box, I selected to look at products anywhere between 15,000 to 40,000. And here there are so many pickle jars being sold by sellers just like you, and their revenue is 5 figures. If we take out the calculator right here and I take the average revenue of the top 10 sellers, most of them are making a monthly revenue of $30,000 per month, which is really good because if I multiply this by a 30% profit margin, which I will show you how to achieve in just a little bit, I am going to net profit $9,000 every month. This is money that goes straight into my bank account. So I chose this product because it's simple, it's light, and one thing I noticed is the word glass. A lot of products that are glass can break during transportation. So what I want to do is differentiate this product to make it plastic or to make it a different type of material that is not glass. I'm sure that when customers buy this product, it may end up broken because it's glass. And if we can sell a product with a different material and improve the quality, then people will buy our product. So next up, we want to look at the pricing for a pickle jar. So I'm going to type in a pickle jar. So this is where you should start thinking about, okay, how much money do I need to start selling on Amazon? We already gone through all the free stuff, right? We got our Amazon Seller Central account set up, that's free. We have our Helium 10 Chrome extension, that's free. But now it's time to budget. You can only get away with so many free things before you have to start investing in your product. Now, I'm not saying that you need to pay for this today. If you are not comfortable paying for inventory today, that is completely okay. But I'm going to come up with a game plan for you so you can get started. Now, look at this. This pickle jar starts at 13 cents per unit, 13 cents to 22 cents per unit. Anyone can afford this. I bet you can afford this today. So there's no reason that you cannot get started. Next, we have this other jar. This one is more highly priced. I'm going to skip over that, but here we go again. This is a jar that is priced at 15 to 19 cents per unit. And if we were to customize it, again, I would ask for a pickle jar that is plastic or some other material that is not glass because glass can break easily. So all we need to do is contact a supplier right here, click on contact supplier and tell them what you need. After you do some research on product differentiation, you can get a good idea on what you need. Now, if we were to budget this, if we want to order some inventory, this product is super budget friendly. On average, this product goes for about 20 cents per piece, right? So if I put in 20 cents and I multiply this by 500 units, because on average, Amazon sellers start with ordering anywhere from 500 to 1,000 units, you are only spending $100 on inventory, you guys. So this is close to nothing to start your Amazon FBA business. Lastly, let's check out profit margins. So let's head on over to this seller that we were looking at previously. They have a set of 2 pickle jars at $26.99 each. These are huge profit margins, you guys. Imagine you sourcing a product for about 20 cents each, even adding on the shipping, which is not a lot for something that is so light and so small, and you get to sell it on Amazon for $27. This is a winner. So let's go to Helium 10 Chrome extension, go to profitability calculator, and then we can see right here that their profit margin is 33%. So this is really good. They make about $9 for every unit sold between January to September. And then during Q4, they make just under $9. So this is definitely a winner in my eyes. And depending on how much they sourced it for on Alibaba.com, Helium 10 is estimating $5.40. But we all know that we can find a different supplier on Alibaba.com to have this sourced for a lot lower, so your profit margins can become even bigger. I hope this video has helped you guys get started for free selling on Amazon FBA. If you guys found any value in today's video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Be sure to check out other videos on my channel if you want to learn about how to become successful and profitable in your Amazon FBA business.